Like I think this was, to me, it seems more like Google was like making this kind of a slow year. There wasn't a lot to announce. I think they have.
Well, and if they did that one in the spring that was bigger too.
But that was more of a developer conference talking about their software that they're working on. And here there was also mostly just software, but things that we already learned about in the developer conference. So the Assistant 2.0 is what they like. Now that the Pixel 4 is coming out, that's what they're advertising with the Pixel 4, is that Assistant 2.0 that doesn't have to connect to the internet, that doesn't have to or to do basic tasks. They call it like a hybrid system. It has your diction, like the language diction library built into the phone, so that so it doesn't need to connect online in order to recognize what you're saying, which is really cool. Like definitely the coolest thing that they've talked about, but it's something that we've already heard about. And I'm excited for it to come to Pixels, and I assume that it's going to be coming to Pixel 3 as well. Well, but again, the Pixel 4, as we'll go over, just is kind of lackluster though. Thank you for watching Tech Talks. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.